You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to our final chapter in this series on why international moves feel like they suddenly speed up and how to prevent that sensation before it starts. Most moving stress isn't caused by accidents or mistakes. It's caused by surprise. Feeling of, wait, I didn't realize that had to happen this soon. Surprise is the enemy of calm moving, and our entire process is built around removing surprise. When new clients first meet with us, we don't start by quoting prices or discussing container sizes. We start by mapping time. We explain the flow, when custom forms must begin, when packing should be locked, when sailing schedules are available, and when documents have to be finalized. By doing that, we make invisible deadlines visible. When you see the sequence, you can plan your energy, paperwork, and expectations accordingly. Let's take an example. Imagine a family moving from Los Angeles to the south of France. Early on, everything feels relaxed. They're comparing neighborhoods, finalizing job paperwork, maybe even taking a short trip before departure. Then suddenly, everything seems to hit at once. The custom paperwork requires a change of residence certificate. The packing company needs a confirmed list. The ship departure cutoff is approaching, and every one of those steps is urgent. That's the speed up moment. Now, imagine the same family working with SDC from the beginning. Months earlier, we helped them collect all required documents: passports, visa, forms, valuation lists, and proof of French residence. We ensured their paperwork aligned with custom expectations long before packing even began. When they're ready to book, their timeline is already in place. Packing dates naturally flow into shipping cutoffs without the pressure. That's what pacing looks like in practice. A move that feels steady instead of sudden. Our coordinators act as timeline translators. They break complicated logistics into understandable segments: preparation, documentation, execution, and delivery. Clients always know what's next and when. We also build buffers. Not every move goes exactly as planned. Weather delays ships, paperwork takes extra days, or a client needs to change plans. By creating space between milestones, we make sure small delays never become crises. The result? Moves that feel compressed, measured, and human, because international relocation is more than freight. It's a life event. From the first conversation to the final delivery, our goal is to ensure every client feels informed, prepared, and unhurried. That's what sets SDC apart from companies that treat relocation as pure logistics. We treat it as a partnership. At SDC International Shipping, timing is what we do best. We see the invisible deadlines, we anticipate the crunch points, and build our timeline around peace instead of panic. If you're planning your move, whether next month or next year, start the conversation now, because calm moving starts early. Visit our website or call 877-339-0267 to connect with our specialist and experience what a well-paced international move really feels like.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.